In this quick top echelon guide, we're diving into how to set up client dashboards on the platform. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a streamlined approach to maximize its potential, this video will guide you through the essentials. By the end of it, you'll have the knowledge to set up powerful client dashboards and manage your recruiting business with ease. First, let's get started by logging into your top echelon account. Once you're in, navigate to the Dashboards section located in the main menu. Here, you'll find an option to create a new dashboard. Click on it to start setting up your customized client view. This is where you'll bring all your important data into one place, making it easier for you and your clients to track progress and manage expectations. You'll be prompted to name your dashboard. Choose a name that is clear and relevant to the client you're setting it up for. This will help you stay organized, especially if you're working with multiple clients. After naming it, you can start adding widgets. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard. They are the visual elements that display important metrics such as job orders, placements, candidates, and activity reports. To add a widget, simply click the Add Widget button. You'll see a list of available widget options that cater to various aspects of the recruitment process. For example, you can choose to display recent job orders, placement statuses, or even a summary of candidates currently being tracked. This level of customization allows you to tailor the dashboard exactly to your client's needs. After you've selected your widgets, arrange them by dragging them into the desired order. This flexibility makes it easy to highlight the most important data at the top, so clients can immediately see key metrics without scrolling through unnecessary information. Top Echelon also allows you to adjust the settings of each widget. You can filter the data shown, change the timeframes, or even set specific parameters that make the information more relevant to the client. For example, if a client is particularly focused on specific job orders or placements, you can fine-tune the widgets to display that information only. Once your widgets are configured, you can save the dashboard and share it with your clients. Sharing is simple. Just click the Share button and you'll be given a link that can be sent to your clients, allowing them to view the dashboard in real time. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that your clients have access to the most up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about maintaining and updating these dashboards. As your work progresses, it's important to keep the data fresh. Fortunately, Top Echelon makes it easy to adjust the information that's displayed. You can add or remove widgets as your needs evolve. Plus, you can set up alerts and notifications to keep your clients informed automatically when certain milestones are met or when specific actions are taken. By setting up and managing client dashboards in Top Echelon, you're not only saving time, but also enhancing the experience for your clients. They'll appreciate the transparency and organization, which can improve your client relationships and make your workflow more efficient. If you're ready to get started with Top Echelon and set up your own client dashboards, you can use the software completely free through the first link in the description. We've got an exclusive offer that will give you extended access, so you can try out all the features without committing right away. Make sure to take advantage of this great deal. Remember, Top Echelon's client dashboards are a great way to keep everything organized and easily accessible. By customizing your view, filtering the data, and keeping your clients updated, you'll streamline your process and enhance client satisfaction. Don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial with all the added bonuses.